I'm going to show you how to fold. Keep beautifully neat and no wrinkles. Very nice little business you might be needing when you get to your destination. You don't want to have to go and have it pressed. We have a skirt and a jacket. Now, you would think that you could just fold this in some direction and we'd be done, right? Well, no, that's not right. What we want to do is try and keep it as flat as possible, but then we want to take another piece of clothing and lay it inside of it to give it a little bit of a cushion, so when you do fold it over, it doesn't create a crease at the folded point. Now, it's not always that important to keep things flat, but this is a very important suit and we want to make sure that it stays flat. Also, when you're putting it in the suitcase, be sure you're putting it on a level area, that there's not a bunch of big dips underneath it, even if you have to pad the other clothing in to make it work for you. And here's our jacket. And we're going to do a simple fold on this particular jacket. Because of the kind of material it is, we can do this. If it were straight cotton, there may be a different way that you'd have to fold it and put different types of padding and thing, because it would definitely have a crease if you did a certain type of material like this. All right, we need to get this one done, so I'm just going to fold this arm over and fold this arm over, and I'm going to make sure this is straight. I'm going to take a piece of clothing again, just do a quick mini little fold on that, and where this crease is going to be, I'm going to put this piece of clothing, and I'm keeping the arms inside on this particular one. All right, here you go. This is the business suit, keeping it nice and neat. In my next segment, I'll be showing you one more piece of clothing that will be something that you want to have on the top so you can get to it, and also because it's the bulkiest thing you'll probably have in your entire bag.